All right, we snuck up on Jim again. Jim, what are you working on today?
Well, we got a factory acceptance test tomorrow with a customer on one of the MiR systems that we're working on. This is their pallet. It's not their actual load, but we're simulating the weight since they weren't able to send their product in. It's perishable items. We're going to use this pallet here as a demo for that. So I'm ready to bring it over now if you want to watch. We're going to make sure that the MiR is able to handle this load weight.
Okay, and how much is this load?
This one is around 1,400 pounds.
Great.